Hi, my name is Ronnie and welcome to my workshop. Today we'll talk about this Laguna Drum Sander 1938 and its features. A drum sander is designed to sand larger panels and workpieces with precision. Rather than tediously sanding by hand or with a belt sander, the rotating sanding drum delivers a perfectly even surface. The 1938 model name means that in a single pass you can sand a board up to 19 inches wide, which is about 48 centimeters, and in two passes up to 38 inches, just over 96 centimeters. The motor has a power output of 1.3 kilowatts and can sand parts up to 10 centimeters high at a variable feed rate. A big plus for me is the tool-free, quick, abrasive change. As mentioned, the name 1938 represents the maximum sanding height of 38 centimeters in a single pass and 96 centimeters in two passes of the same board. Let's have a look at the sander in action, here on piece of solid oak. As you can see, the dust collection performs perfectly too. For the best results, I recommend making several passes removing no more than 0.3 mm per pass. In addition to the digital thickness readout, a red LED on the motor lights up when too much material is being removed. So what are the advantages of this machine? Saves time when sanding large pieces, even and smooth surface, and sturdy yet compact design. Typical jobs for the Laguna drum sander include smoothing glued up panels, finishing solid wood, or preparing boards for finish. And finally, here is a little tip for anyone who makes end grain cutting boards. After the final glue up, you won't need to trim off the chipped back edge that usually appears when you run the board through a thickness planner. With the Laguna drum sander, the surface is sanded gently enough that no tear out forms on the end, leaving you with a clean edge right away. For end grain cutting boards, this has become the perfect solution for me. You can also get a few handy accessories for this Laguna sander, including these two folding feed tables. They keep longer workpieces from dropping to the floor, and when you are not using them, just press the buttons and fold the tables down so they stay out of the way. Another useful accessory is this set of casters mounted down under to give you full mobility around the workshop. So this was the Laguna 1938 drum sander, a professional solution for precise and efficient sanding in the workshop. IGM and I would like to thank you for your attention and wish you every success in your project.